If you want to make certain photos private, then what you can do is you can utilize something called the locked folder. If I were to go around onto the locked folder section right here, if I were to click it, then I cannot easily access it. First of all, I need to go ahead and add in my password right here, just like this. So let me just go ahead, add in my password, and then sign in right here. So once I go ahead and do that, it says move to lock folder is an option. So this is a highly secure folder where you cannot immediately go ahead and then access out photos, which is good for high privacy requirement photos. So let's say, for example, I can go ahead and then select out, let's say, for example, these particular photos right here. I can also select from computer as well. And if I were to click on move, it says move to lock folder. So now over here it says these photos and videos will be hidden and won't show up as you scroll through Google Photos or in other apps. So let me just go ahead and then click on move right here. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that it has been moved to lock folder. So if I were to go ahead back right here, then this is what you have. So those photos have been moved. But if I were to click on locked folder once more right here, then you can see that it asks for my password again. So locked folder is highly secure. So each time you want to access it, you can see that you actually have to go ahead and then add in password for it. So I can go ahead onto the lock folder right here, and then I can move it out as well. So I can move these out of the lock folder as well, so that I have access onto the main folder just like before as well. So that is how you can utilize locked folder inside of Google Photos. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.